Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting unboxing of the OnePlus Watch 2. Went ahead and picked this up from OnePlus, just got it. Want to go ahead and unbox it, give my first impressions, and let you know if it's something that you should pick up or not. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take a look at the box here. So this is the OnePlus Watch 2 from OnePlus. Looking around the side here, it does say Wear OS by Google. So this is a Wear OS watch. On the back here, we've got OnePlus Watch 2. It tells us what the voltage is. It has the model number and some information here. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, so we've got our unboxing knife here. Let's go ahead and just make an incision. Throw that off the side. Let's see if we can get this to open up here. A little bit of okay, so let's go ahead and get that open. And so we've got the watch. Let's go ahead and set this off to the side. And see what else we get in the box. So opening up the box, looks like we've got two boxes here. So on this side, I think this is probably going to be our instructions. Go ahead and just open that up. And yep, that's our user manual. So you got all your normal user guide information. Set that off. And this is most likely our charging. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, and so we've got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. It's unfortunate. I was hoping that it would be USB-C to USB-C, but is what it is. And then we've got the charging dock. So this uses a pogo pin charging. And let's go ahead and take that off. And so we've got the pogo pin charging, so it's not the wireless charging like on the Galaxy Watch 6. There is a USB-C port, so you can simply just plug that cable in. We'll test that out in just a bit. Okay, let's go ahead and throw this stuff off to the side. And let's take a look at the watch. So this is the, I believe it's just the black variant here. So we've got a crown in the upper right. It looks like around here we've got a button on the side. It's a bit glossy. Go ahead and pull it off with a little pad. Okay, and let's go ahead and take the protective covering off. So it is a rubber strap with a single buckle and pin connection. It does have two movable keepers. It does have that black ionized color there. Band feels really comfortable, very soft. Let's go ahead and pull this off of here. And there we go. So there is the watch. On the back side, we have the OnePlus. We've got the sensors. And once again, we have those pogo pin magnetic pins for charging. It is a single bar quick release straps. So let's go ahead and power this thing on. Assume we hold down this button here. And there's a nice little vibration, and we got the OnePlus. So let's go ahead and let that power up. So I am wearing the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which I have been wearing this one for quite some time. So we'll be doing some comparisons to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This does have the rotating bezel, which I really enjoy. But I'm looking forward to checking out and reviewing the OnePlus Watch 2. So let's go ahead and see where we're at. It looks like it is still booting up there, and there is the Wear OS. Okay, and then we've got our setup process. So I'm going to go ahead and select English. And next it says we need to download the O Health app from the Google Play Store on the phone. So let's go ahead and do that next. All right, so let me go ahead and grab my phone and we'll go ahead and do that. All right, and so I've got my phone here, and oh, look at that. It just automatically popped up with the OnePlus Watch 2. So we'll go ahead and go to the Play Store, and we'll go ahead and install the app. And we'll go ahead and download that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we've gone ahead and downloaded the app, and it's looking to pair, so we'll go ahead and confirm that. And we can see on the watch that it's got the same pin. So we'll go ahead and click the check there. And we're going to go ahead and select United States. O Health statement, we'll go ahead and agree to that. And we'll allow notifications, permissions, all that good stuff. All right, and now we are just going to go ahead and wait for this to pair and go through the pairing process real quick. And there's a nice little animation. Go ahead and agree and continue. Join user experience, not now. Preferred wrist, so this is going to go on my left wrist. And we're going to go ahead and allow. And go ahead and allow access. It's going to go ahead and prepare the watch. And you can see on the watch here that it just says complete the setup on your watch. So we'll go ahead and let that finish. It looks like the pairing process goes pretty quick, about the same as the Galaxy Watch. It says it's obtaining the Google account information. So it's transferring over my Google accounts that I have on the phone. Okay, so you're asked to set up a pin or a pattern on the watch. So we're just going to go ahead and do that real quick, get that set up. But I did want to include that in the video. So let me go ahead and just set that up real quick. Okay, and so we just went ahead and set that up, and it's going to continue doing the update. All right, and just like Wear OS, it's going to ask, these are the ones installed on your device. I'm going to go ahead and go through here and take some of these off that I don't want, I don't use. Don't use any of these. Okay. And we'll go ahead and we'll put Spotify on there. Let's see what else. And that's about it. I don't use WhatsApp, so we'll go ahead and just continue. Okay, and it looks like you do have NFC tap to pay. So we'll go ahead and set that up a little bit later. And it looks like it's completing our setup. Wearable device no longer linked to your account. Not signed in. Okay, so this is the O Health app, it looks like. So turn on location permissions. We'll go ahead and turn that on. And we'll go ahead and allow for that. Okay, so that is the O Health Watch application. So this is the black steel version. It goes ahead and shows the battery percentage. Looks like we have some watch faces. We have our tiles here, so we can go ahead and set these up. Turn on notifications. So this is to sync your notifications and manage notifications. And then we have the workout section here. So we've got our step goals, calories burned, workout time goal, just like on any of the other smartwatches. And let's see, we have more. And in more, it looks like we have some weather information, display and brightness, general, Google. So we'll take a look at that stuff. And that is it for the setup. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out the charging on the OnePlus Watch 2. So we've got the charger here. We've got it on the charging puck, I guess is what we're going to call this, or charging dock. So you simply just go ahead and take the watch, drop it right on there, and you can see that it just starts charging. It does have that VOOC charging, so it's super fast charging, which is really nice to see. Wish Samsung and some of the other manufacturers would get this on theirs as well. So you've got a nice little charging animation. It says VOOC, gives you the percentage and the time, and looks like that is working perfectly. So we'll be doing a battery test on this a little bit later, and we'll also do a charging test from 0 to 100% to see how long that actually takes. But as you can see, charging works fine. So let's go ahead and throw the watch on. All right, and there it is, folks. That is the black steel version of the OnePlus 2 watch. Fits really nice. I believe this is a 46 millimeter, and it only comes in one size. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic I have here is a 47 millimeter. So side by side, you can kind of see the size comparison. So it's not too bad. But I'm going to be testing this watch out for the next week or so, and definitely make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button so you'll get updated when new videos get posted, especially when I go ahead and post my full review on the OnePlus Watch 2. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.